So 2 out of 3 companies still plan in Excel, yet just 14% rely on it as their primary planning tools. If you run your planning processes on Excel, you will hit a hard ceiling. It lacks key features, it cannot handle large data volumes, and it buckles on performance. All that while adding quietly governance cost to your environment with missing auditability, data inconsistencies, and endless Excel sheet stitching. Volatility has made static annual planning approaches less useful. However, many companies still rely on their existing planning processes and approaches. Rolling forecasts increasingly need to supplement or replace annual budgeting, turning planning into a continuous process. And this is exactly where Excel breaks down. So a very important question is now, where are the challenges when using Excel for planning and performance management? And our survey data answers that too. Among Excel planners, we can see that more than 40% complain about missing key features for planning and forecasting. Other companies tell us that Excel cannot handle large volumes of data. And the third thing is that they complain about performance and scalability. Just 7% say that they have no problems when using Excel for planning and budgeting and forecasting. So Excel might still have its place for specific tasks in planning and forecasting. However, when tools get more mature and more comprehensive, Excel is pushed to the fringes. That's the truth about Excel in planning and forecasting. Our recommendation here is clear. If you want to keep Excel, keep it as an additional front end next to your planning software, or use it for peripheral tasks. But you should move on to a modern and specialized planning software if you want to benefit from modern planning approaches from AI and also from continuous planning. If you are interested in the full results and you want to benchmark yourself against leading companies in our survey, check out our full Planning Survey 26 report. You will find the link in the description below.